Hey there crew, it's Mark Fig and I go by MENWHOBULLET here on YouTube as well as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and over on my website MENWHOBULLET.com. And we've been doing full reveals of a few items inside of this upcoming June subscription box from Archer & Olive. Here's our second notebook that we're going to be taking a look at today, which I cannot wait to show you. We have a Travelers that we saw before with a super colorful cover. And can we just talk about how amazing this notebook is here? We have a beautiful dark blue. We've got the flag on this one that says, "You've got this." Pay attention to that. You may see it in a few other places in this subscription box. This notebook is fully usable, white dot grid A5 size notebook here. You can't get mad at it. I don't care how upset you are today. You're gonna get this notebook and you're gonna be super happy that you got it. There's a lot of cool stuff inside of this subscription box. Now we're coming up to the end. We're almost at the end of the month. You're not gonna see everything, but you're gonna see almost everything that's inside of this subscription box. You've got a really great idea of what's in here so far. So far, like we said, we saw the Traveler size notebook and now the A5. You saw some cool, maybe new pen things in previous videos. You got the merit badge stickers. Oh, the water bottle. Can't forget about that bad guy too. Loving that too. So we've got Camp A&O going down and we're really excited about it. Now, if you've paused your subscription, make sure to unpause by the 30th at 5 p.m. because if you don't, you won't get this box. So just do it right now because I'm telling you, you are gonna love this subscription box. It is well worth it already. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the quarterly subscription box from Archer & Olive, you'll be able to do so. Get this box and be signed up for the other quarterly boxes as well, which are always fun. And we start to see new things that we will likely see in the future from Archer & Olive. And there are a number of things inside of here that are definitely going to be cool. So make sure you check them out. I will talk to you next time. I have one more that I need to show you, so you're gonna want to see that one. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to do that. That way I'll just notify you when the video's out. You don't have to do any work. I'll just tell you. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.